This video is about Google Sheets autofill capability. So with just a little bit of information, Sheets can see patterns. So if you highlight the 1 and 2 in this column, and then this little blue circle here is where the magic happens. If it can see your pattern, it will change into this crosshair where you can now grab it by that little blue circle and pull down, and you can see that it guessed correctly and it wants these numbers in succession. This also works with text and numbers. So highlight the 2, wait till you get that blue circle, grab it by the blue circle so you get those crosshairs, and there you go. You can see how much time this would save you. Works with dates and also works with patterns that it can guess. So you can also type in your own and just kind of play around with what it understands. If you have a certain schedule on your academic week, like an A day and B day, again, it will not understand C, D, E, F, but it will repeat this, which is actually better in our situation. So anyhow, that is autofill. Play around. I think you'll find that it will save you a lot of time.